guys, we're gonna memorize the multiplication table. Table of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Table of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Table of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Table of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 32, 36, 4, 32, 36, 4, 42, 42,
40,
40, 40, and 44, 48. Table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20,
Favorite.
25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Table of 6. 6, 12, 18, 20, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Table of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. Table of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 56, 63, 63,
no,
no,
64,
64, 72, 80, 88, 96. 9,
table 9,
table 9. 9, 16, 20, 27, 28,
9, 16, no, 9,
9, 9, 18, 27,
9, 18,
9, 18, 27, 28, 20,
slowly 9,
9, 18, 27, 28,
36,
36, 45, 54, 60, 63, 72, 81, 90, 90, 99, 108. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120.
okay, I will ask you. How about the table 11?
Well, anak ka table of 10. Table 10. Next time na po na.
Oh, 2 times 2,
4. 2 times 2 equals 4.
7 times 7,
49
8 times 8,
is 9, 64.
very good. 9 times 9,
81.
very good. 6 times 6,
12.
now why did you add it? 6 times 8, 8 not addition. 8 times, 6 times 6.
12.
Not 12, it's addition. 6 times 6 is 30.
36.
Very good. 6 times 4.
6 times 4. 6, 12, 30.
No.
6.
6 times 4.
6 times 4.
Yes. 6 times 4. Upat ka 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. 12. So, upat man na ka 6. So, 12 plus 12. 2 plus 2 equals?
4.
And 1 plus 1 is?
2.
2, 4.
2, 4. 24.
Oh, 6 times 4 equals?
24.
24. 3 times 6.
3 times 6.
6.
51.
No, 6.
I
Three.
thought, 20.
6 times 3. Pila man na? 6 times 3 o 3 times 6.
18.
The same
6
na.
times 3.
Bisag bali, pareho na siya.
18.
3 times 6 o 6 times 3, pareho na sila.
Pareho na 18.
Oo, pareho na 18. Bisag balihon. How about 7 times 2?
It's 14.
2 times 7.
2 times 7 equals
Pareho na, basta balihon. Oh,
14.
2, 4, 6,
14
8, 10, 12, 14. The same lang.
14 na 14.
Pito ka, tag duha-duha. So, you will multiply 2 by 7. 2 times 7. So, 7 ka 2. 7 plus 7 plus 7 ay 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 14. 9 times 2.
9 times 2 equals 18.
18. 6 times 3.
18.
18. 3 times 4.
6. So, 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12, 12.
4 times 3. 4 times 3.
12, 12.
Bisag ba yun pareho? 100 times 100.
Wow!
100 times 100.
200.
Not one. You added. Do not add.
100.
No, no.
Wala pa mo ko, ano?
Dili, uy. 10,000. 100 times 100. You bring down all the zero. You bring down yung muta ng zero. Then, butan nimo o grouping nimo. 8 times 6.
56.
8 times 6?
Ay, 60. 48.
8 times 8, sakto, 48. 6 times 8.
6 times 8. 6 times 8.
Gibali raman gud to.
48.
48. Bisan pag balihon, 48 ra. The same answer lang gihapon. Unsa pa man? 10 times 10.
10.
10 times 10?
Ay, 1. 100.
Do not forget, alert ba? Alert. Pareha ni Inday, alert ka ito. 10 times 2.
20.
2 times 10.
2 times 10.
3 times 9.
3 times 9 equals 27.
9 times 3. Gibali ra.
Ay, 97. Kung gapon?
27.
27.
Bisag balihon, lagi 27. 14 plus 14. 28. 4 plus 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 8, 28. 7 plus 7. 14.
What?
7 times 2. 7 plus 7 more 7 times 2 na siya. So you need to understand the concept. Multiplication is like a cousin of addition. Diba? I told you already. It's a cousin of addition. When you say 7 times 3, it's 3 ka 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. No. You understand? How about 7 times 4? Pila man ka 7?
4 to 7.
Oh, pila man ang 4 ka 7? Pila ang 4 ka 7? 7 times 4 equals?
Equals 7, 4, 7, 7, 14, 15, 21, 28.
Na, that's the goodness if you could memorize the table. You don't have to count. Just like Ariel. Ariel,
Count na gito siya.
yeah, it's okay to count, but it's faster if you could memorize the answer. Kay pila ka second, ka-answer na yun ka. Kung mo count pa ka, it's okay to count. Kasi hindi, mo count man siya. Pero medyo madugay siya. Pero kung ma-memorize ni mo, dali ra ka makasulat dahil sa answer. No. Sabot ka? Sabot wala. How about 4 times 4?
60.
2 times 2?
4.
1 times 1?
1.
Oh. Kung dili ka ka-memorize, kung ana-ana pa kasi mong finger, pila ganito. Pero, kinahanglan, makabalo ka, ngano na siyang nahimong 4 ang 2 times 2. It is because 2 times 2 is adding 2 plus 2. 2 twos. 2 ka, duha ka 2. How about 3 times 3?
It's 6.
3 times, mag-i-add na po niyo. Don't add. 3 times 3.
3, 6.
Do not,
9.
don't be confused of the operator times o multiplication o kuan addition.
9.
5 times 5.
25.
6 times 6. Oops. 6 times 5 is 30. Then 30 plus...
36 daan.
Oh, 36. That's it. Do not forget. 7 times 7. 40.
8.
Not 48.
42.
49.
9.
8 times 8.
8 times 8.
No. 8 times 8 is 60.
63.
64. 9 times 9.
81.
9 times 8.
63.
70.
72.
Isa pa. 9 times 5. By 5.
9.
5 ka 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So, 18 times 2 is 36. 36 plus 9 equals 40. 45. 45. Study more? Study more? Ugma ba?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Study ugma ha? Tomorrow? More exercises tomorrow? So what will be your prize for today because you tried to memorize the multiplication? What is your prize? What is your prize? Cloud phone. How many minutes?
No. 90.
90.
80, 70.
Ayaw, uy.
60, 60.
Kuan lang.
60, 60.
60 lang. Kay magdaot ang
Papa.
magdula na siya guys og phone kay naka-memorize na kuno siya gamay but he still need to memorize it kay malimot-limot pa siya.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Si bye lang ka.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.